One thing us gearheads all have in common is we all want to go fast. And you can have all the ponies in the world, but it doesn't do you any good if you can't pull in on those reins. These yellow stuff pads from EBC brakes are made of high friction compound for high speed stopping for both on the track and the road. These were developed for zero brake fade during high speed or aggressive driving and have the EBC brake coating that conditions the rotor to help seat the pads. And for even more stopping power, you want to pair them with EBC's dimpled and slotted sport rotors. The rotors are designed with wider slots to help reduce heat and to get dirt and pad dust out of the brake surface area. The slots also reduce brake fade, and the dimple drilling prevents stress cracks. These rotors paired with yellow stuff brake pads are a great combo for max stopping power.